Samsung Galaxy update. Samsung OP63.5. How did we even get to update 65? Is this game actually this old? No way this game is so old. We get update 63, Samsung Galaxy update. I've never been to the Samsung Galaxy. We are always staying in the Milky Way or something. If I ever get the chance to get to the Samsung Galaxy, I would actually go there. The first code is going to be lobby fixed. Follow along, redeem every single one of these codes. Boom! Okay, lobby fixed. This is the first code. You can actually tell that this is the update 63.5. Who is the protagonist? I see an old grandpa with white hair and a mustache on the picture. Who is that? Who is that? Wait, what is the new code? What is the new code? There's some new codes added. Okay. Alright. We got technique shards, pearls. Technique shards and pearls. But we have more codes. Wait, it's actually Samsung. I didn't actually know this was Samsung. Lobby fixed. This was actually one of the latest codes. And the next code is going to be Blue Shadow. Don't forget to like and subscribe for future codes. Update 64 is on the way. Blue Shadow. You must be in the group. I'm in every single group. I'm in like 30 groups. Next code is Samsung Space Event. Samsung Space Event. Just like this. Code is claimed doesn't wait, did I already claim it? Wait, what's wrong with this code? What's wrong with this code? Samsung Event? You must be in the official group to redeem this code. Mini update. Mini update. A lot of free rerolls, free gems, free tokens. Boom! Sorry, OP delay. Sorry for OP delay. That is the next code. If you don't have Robux on your Roblox account, comment a heart emoji. Comment a heart emoji if you don't have Robux on your Roblox account right now. Redeem every single one of these codes. Next code is OP delay. The next code is Hog Eye. Hog Eye. I just realized it's just a skin. It is just a skin. It's just a Samsung Galaxy skin. Boss event as well as secret code.